Got a fish, Roman.
Got one?
Yes, sir.
I know we caught one.
Boy, you ain't kidding. Finally, huh?
Can I hold him?
Yeah.
And I want to show it to the kids. You hooked that guy good? What kind of bait was it with?
The money badger.
The bait that I said it won't catch anything?
Oh. Yeah, I think it was.
Oh yeah, it is. You're right.
Yeah. Okay, come here and hold him for a minute. So hold this so I can get my pliers.
You mean your pole?
No, I need my pliers. Here, hold the fish by his lip. Don't put him on the glass. Just hold him. Hold him up. Don't put him on the glass. Hold him up. Get the pliers out so I can get it. Last dang hook didn't come out of me. Alright guys, welcome to an episode of Dan the Fisherman. We're out here on Lake DeGray this evening. Me and my son are doing a little bass fishing during the winter time, about a week before Christmas. It's the first catch of the day on a money badger. We've been out here for several hours. Came along this rock wall and we've had some luck. You gonna put him in the water? Great.
Them are so big.
Mom?
Yeah. He went straight under our boat.
Got another one. Oh, this is a better one. We got another one, Roman, we got another one, son. He's a lot better.
You mean that?
Yeah, go ahead and get us a net going. I ain't got but 10 pounds. Woohoo!
He looks big.
Good job, net man.
He's big.
Yeah, he's bigger. I'll get him off here and we'll check the fish.
I'm on a big
Oh, that's a pretty nice one. About a 2-pounder on the money badger.
Is that why it has money in it?
Yes, sir. Thanks, buddy. Cool, cool. Man, that was a good bite there.
So he was way too much more bigger.
Yeah, he was way bigger, huh? Alright, guys. We're going to wrap it up today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Dan the Fisherman. Came out to Lake DeGray. We did a little bit of fishing. Been fishing probably since about 10 a.m. It's going on almost 2 o'clock now, and or almost 2:30. So we're gonna get out of here and call it a day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dan the Fisherman.